10 Psychological Tricks to Get a Woman to Like You. How to make a girl fall in love with me, gentlemen. After watching this video on how to get a woman to like you with seduction techniques, first of all, I want to say that these are ethical and not manipulative at all. But in the end, they will make a girl feel unconsciously attracted and want to be closer to you. And well, back to what we came to. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what you thought of video 1. Have your own life. This is literally the basis for starting a great relationship and will give you the starting point to get her to like you. When you are trying to have a relationship or get a girl to like you and your life is very boring, you automatically become a 0 on the left because you are ruled out as a possible partner because nobody wants to be with a person who is extremely boring. On the other hand, if you have an amazing life and do extremely interesting things, you become a potential person to be a partner. Well, who wouldn't want to be around someone who is very interesting and does very exciting things? So try to have interesting things and do amazing things. When you do this, women automatically come in droves. 2. Have an interesting hobby or passion. Here's another very interesting tip that's hard to find on the internet. Literally, having just one passion will make you look more interesting. This reinforces the previous point. When you're starting out in your own life, your hobby can be anything that you're passionate about. Make sure it's a real passion and not something fake or something to impress. If I said I love motorcycles and I love to go out riding in my free time, but I don't really do it with pleasure, women will notice that I'm just pretending. On the other hand, when you do something that you're really passionate about, women will notice, and there's something infinitely sexy about a man or a guy with an intense passion and who does it with love. And it can be anything, like programming, motorcycling, cooking, drawing, reading, playing an instrument, and anything else that suits your tastes. Believe me, sooner or later you will find a lot of women who are similar to those tastes that you are so passionate about. Tip number 3. Have great hygiene. This should be the number 1 tip to make a girl feel attracted. Make sure you smell good. I don't even mean smell amazing. With expensive perfumes, you just have to smell good. Go take a shower with body soap, wash your hair, dry yourself, apply a good shower gel, a good deodorant, put on clean clothes. You don't need to shower with chocolate axe spray, you just have to smell presentable. You can, although with a little perfume, spray a squirt or 2. At most, I recommend 1 on your wrist and 1 near your neck. This is all it takes to smell great, and the girls will, no matter what, turn to look at you, and the good smell captivates them all the time. Tip number 4. Get her to do things for you. This is definitely a great tip and maybe even a little manipulative. But it's definitely not a bad thing, and it works. Since you have no idea, it goes like this: ask her to do something for you. There is a psychological effect called the Benjamin Franklin effect, and it goes like this: you ask a girl to do something for you, she does it, and in the end, she subconsciously likes you a little bit more. You might be wondering why? Well, our brain is programmed to think that by doing a favor for someone it is because we like them and they are someone we trust. A phenomenon that makes us slowly appear more attractive to that person. Now, the Benjamin Franklin effect is accompanied by a bias called consistency bias. After someone has done something for you a couple of times, they are more likely to do more just because they don't want to seem inconsistent. Ask her for things like taking a pencil to take notes in class, asking her to pay for your subway fare, or even small errands, but don't go overboard, as it might feel like you are just using her. Tip number 5. Make her laugh. This is a great tip, and you may think you are not a funny person, but the truth is that everyone can be funny. If you try, you have to put yourself in enough situations to get used to the awkwardness of telling unfunny jokes. You have to have the confidence to tell more jokes around people. The more you tell, the better you will get at it. And you will find that girls love to laugh and you show that you are intellectually strong and skilled, which is a desirable trait in a future partner. Plus, this will give you the chance to see where her eyes are going when she laughs. If she looks at you when she laughs, chances are she is interested in you, so pay attention. Tip number 6: be her friend. There is a big difference between being her friend and being in the friend zone. I also want to point out that this trick has been tried and tested, and it is totally acceptable to be in the friend zone for months at a time and then try to start dating. So go the extra mile and do things that make her smile, do things that other guys wouldn't do. Do things like leave little notes on her car. Or send a good morning text to talk about problems, sympathize with her. In fact, by doing this you are practically dating her. You just have to take the step to be her boyfriend and tell her that you love her for the rest of your life. All this accompanied by the previous tips to make it work and to avoid falling into the friend zone. In case you are still in the friend zone, get out of there. If you are no longer comfortable, get out of there. You don't have to be and stay there if you don't feel comfortable. Tip number 7. Within what is correct and allowed, break the touch barrier. This is a good unconscious psychological trick that works surprisingly well in many situations. Touch her shoulder. Ask her for something and hold her hand. Invent some game that requires touching and playing with her, like rock, paper, scissors. Propose a hug, a handshake. If you have the idea of letting her know that you are willing to touch her in a non-sexual way because you are comfortable with her, you can watch her reaction. If she seems disgusted or scared, don't touch her anymore. Respect that decision. Number 8. Tell her secrets. Tell her a secret about yourself, something personal that not many people know. This will open the door to trust, and as you tell her more about yourself, she will notice that you trust her, and in turn she will trust you more. Psychologically, we like her because it makes us feel special, and we trust people who trust us first. Because we have a natural instinct to distrust new people and not trust them. So by doing this, you break this instinct. She will start to reciprocate the same way, and I recommend telling her secrets that do not compromise you. So in case she tells someone else, don't have any problems and make sure that they are considered good secrets. If they are things that are a bit embarrassing, like you have 11 toes or you voted for the PRI, better save them. Tip number 9. Show real interest. You can try with any woman, show attention and not just for a couple of minutes. Look into her eyes when she is talking to you and take mental notes of everything she is talking about. If you can mention it in later conversations to make her feel special, she will start enjoying your presence. This will work with anyone. The last tip is to boost your confidence. I will soon make a video with some secret tips on how you can do to improve your confidence, but for now it is enough to be aware of yourself and know what makes you feel uncomfortable, insecure and work on it. The best general tip I can give you to be more confident and make a girl want you is to exercise regularly about 3 or 4 times a week, do arm, leg or cardio. This will increase the levels of endorphins, a substance that is responsible for making us feel safe and happy. And well, I hope these tips add value to your life. And if you want more videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button. If you liked the video, thank you so much for watching the video.